Good afternoon to everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mehboobi. I am your science teacher, EGT science teacher. You know well that I already taught you last year. I am very happy to came back here. In the same way, I will feel to you also. Okay. So dear students, now today I am going to start a little introduction about the acids, bases and the salts. Okay. So let's see what it contains. So in the previous classes you already learned about what are the acids and the bases. Is it now? So now let's see what is the acid and the bases. So if you in your previous in everyday life you are using so many different kinds of the food material. If you while eating you taste it, you know, you feel it is a bitter taste, it is a sweet taste or it is a sour taste. So what it sweets contains? What are it? This tastes is contains. Okay, here in your food material, if the food item is a sour taste, okay, if the food item is a sour taste, means that we should know it is a acid. Okay, it is a acid. Then if your food material is a bitter taste, then you will see that it is contains a base. For example, I will give a famous example, that is a lemon. Lemon is it will come under the fruit. Okay, we will say it is come under the family citrus fruits. Okay, so here if you taste this lemon, you know very well that it is a which is taste it is. It is in the sour taste, means that the lemon contain one kind of the acid. Okay, we will say that acid name is a citric acid. Understood? So and one more acid is there, that we can say HCl. HCl nothing but the hydrochloric acid. HCl means hydrochloric acid. Then where this acid is present? This acid present in your stomach. I think you know well. Okay. What is the function of this acid? This acid is helping in the digestion of the food material in your stomach. Okay. So this is about what? Clear idea about the acid. Acid are the sour in taste. Okay, so many different types of the food item contains the acid. Example like given lemon, in that the citric acid is present, and the one more acid which is present in our stomach, that is the hydrochloric acid. Next we will move on to the bases. So what is the property of the base? Base, if the food material which is bitter in taste, okay, that nothing but we will say that it is having a base. For example, baking soda. What is this baking soda? Okay, what is this baking soda? You know very well that your mom is going to prepare some of the food material in the kitchen. Okay, that time she is using one powder while preparing dosas, while preparing your idli, some of the food items. She is using the one powder, that is nothing but the baking soda. Okay, baking soda is the one what base. Understand? If you taste, go and taste this powder. If you taste, it is in the bitter taste. That's why it is come under the what? Bases. Okay, this is what some common difference of the acids and the bases. Acids and the bases. Now you know the come across some idea about the acid and the base. You know very well that here some people are more foodie. Okay, they like more food, more food items. So sometimes what happens, they goes on eat more and more food. But what happened? It is disturb their digestive system. So if it is disturbed, means they will feel that something is happening, something is feeling sore in this esophagus. What it is? It is nothing but the acidity. What it is? Acidity. So I think you know very well, every day you come across this situation. If you got acidity, someone is used to prefer you go through the lemon. You go and drink lemon water. You use the vinegar or you use the baking soda. So why they are telling to use that material? So that is bases. If the acid and the base combine, it is forms the neutralize. Means if you get acidity, then we should use the lemon plus or lemon water plus soda, then we will get the neutralization process. It is going to be completely neutralize the what? Acidity. Okay, this is what one example how we are using the neutralize the acid while using the this baking soda. Next, this is what some of the acids and the bases. While tasting, we know this is acid and this is bases. But some solutions are there, some things are there. We should not taste it. Okay, we should not taste it. Then how should we come to know the material is acid or the base? To know that acid or the base, we have a indicators. What we have? Indicators we have. Indicators is the substance which shows the material is acid or the base. So if you see the indicator, we have two types of the indicator. One is the natural indicator, next is the synthetic indicator. Naturally, by the name itself we come to know nature, natural. Okay, naturally. So a very good example of the natural indicator is a litmus paper. What a litmus paper. So I think you will see the what litmus paper in every school. It is available, in science lab it is also available. If you see the litmus paper, it is a two color. One is the blue color, next is the red color. Red and the blue color litmus paper is available in the lab. Then how we will going to be identify the solution, or the solution is a acidic or the basic. I will give a clear idea about that. Just see here. So if we have one solution now, okay, for example, you don't know which that solution it is. We have a solution now. Now I have one solution in beaker, and I have a strips of litmus paper. One is the blue, one is the red. So I want to know whether this solution contains acid or the base. Then how should I go through it? First I will take this blue litmus paper, I dip in this solution. Then if blue litmus get changes into red, if blue litmus get changes into red, the solution is a acidic solution. What a acidic solution. Understand? Instead of that, if I change this litmus paper, if this litmus paper is a red litmus paper, consider this litmus paper is red. If I dip this litmus paper into this solution, then if it is converted into blue, okay, then it is a what? Basic solution. Which solution? Basic solution. Understand? This is how we can going to be see the difference, what the solution is acidic or the basic. Understand? So, and now litmus, I said you that litmus is a natural indicator. Natural indicator. So this litmus, we can say litmus solution also available, litmus paper also available. From where we will extract? Okay, we will extract this litmus from the lichens. Where? From the lichens. So these lichens are come under division of the Thallophyta. Where? Thallophyta. So what is this Thallophyta? Why we kept these lichens into the Thallophyta? Thallo in the sense flat. I will give one example to you. See, just imagine this is one rock, okay, where the more and more water is going to be falling here. So I think you know very well that if more and more water is going to be fell down, we will see the green patches. Is it not? We will see the green patches which is only flattened area, and it is not too growing too much up to the height. So that's why it is flattened now. That's why we will given division in we kept the division in the Thylophyta. Okay. So this Thylophyta lichens kept under the division of the Thylophyta. Lichens are what? The combination of the algae and the fungus. What? Algae and the algae plus fungus. And we will use to say that this is also shows the symbiosis relationship or symbiotic relationship. What is this symbiotic relationship? Here, these us like two friends. How you people are close friends are there? No, like that only. So one friend, algae, this one friend is sharing the green or food material to the fungus, and fungus sharing the shelter to the algae. That's how it is going to be leading its life. Okay, this is what algal plus fungus forms the lichens. Lichens is nothing but we will extract the litmus solution from the lichens, which is act as a what? Natural indicator. Understood, students? This was how about the some of the little introduction about the acids and the base, and then the litmus, about the litmus, lichens. Okay, how we should differentiate between the acidic solution and the basic solution. Next attempt I will continue in the next class. Thank you.